Hello, I'm Habibullah. This is my school management system project, which I developed by Oracle Apex as in front-end development, and I used Oracle SQL, PLSQL, HTML, CSS, and little bit JavaScript as in backend development. I developed this project in the time of my diploma in database design and development from IsDB-BISEW. This is actually my past project in Oracle Apex. So let's sign in. This is actually admin user. I maintain user-wise access. I'll explain it later. Okay, this is my home page. In the left side corner, this is actually notifications. Employees can see important notifications here. For example, annual meeting, midterm exam, final exam, special meetings. In the middle is actually academic calendar, any day offs or special occasions. You can see in the academic calendar. You can see in the list wise or in month, but it's scroll in month, right? In the right side corner is actually quick navigation menu. In the top navigation menu, you can easily move any pages. Important pages you can move by this quick navigation menu. For example, if I click in expense menu, this is actually expense menu, right? Go in the expense menu here. Okay, and go to the school. This is school's information. This is actually dummy data. All information are dummy data. This is not actual data. So actually Habibullah is actually admin user, so you can update information. Any school information can update. Go to dashboard. This is our school dashboard. 16 employees right now have in our school, 15 students, 8 subjects, 5 classes, 7 sections, 8 students present right now, and 1 absent today, and 10 users have in my application. This is class-wise subjects, class-wise students. If we hover in class 6, I have 16 students in class 6, 11 students in class 7, right? At a glance, you can see overall information in your school. This is month-wise expenses. In January 2024, expenses almost 250,000, right? The exact amount is 240,000. In March 2024, the cost amount 320,000. Okay, this is actually attendance information. I have taken only 1 class attendance today. In class 6, 80 students are present and 1 student are absent. Who's 1 are absent? In the right side corner, Mujibullah is studying in class 6. And why is absent? The cause of absence is personal sickness, right? If we take attendance, for example, if we take attendance in class 7, section A, and today's attendance, right? For example, Ratul is an absent for attend the family program, right? Okay, then if I go again in my dashboard, look at this. Students are present, 12 students, and 2 students are absent, right? If I scroll here, in class 7, 4 students are present, 1 are absent. Which one are absent? Ratul Sharkar class 7, and the cause of absence, attend a family program. Now I'm taking a new admission in my school. Okay, they have two options, readmission and new admission. If you click the readmission, suggest my classes, which class I want to admit. For example, if I click in class 10, only class 10 students shown in here. I want to admit the new admission form here. This is student ID. This is actually auto-generated. You cannot edit it. Okay, student name, for example, last name Munamiya. Father name, for example, Abdul Madin. Mother name Mariam. Yeah, okay. And gender, student's gender, male, student's email, for example 123 student phone number, student religion, Islam, date of birth 2000, blood group, for example, O positive, status must be active, right? This is actually optional field. I skipped it. This is actually wizard based, right? First student information you have to submit, then guardian information, then admission information. So click the next. Student information already submitted. Now fill up in the guardian information. So his father is his guardian, right? Abdul Abdul Madin, his father, right? Relationship, father's occupation, for example, lawyer. Father's phone number, father's email, okay, father's status. Is this guardian active or inactive, right? Okay, click next. Guardian information already submitted. Now the admission information. This is admission academic year. It's actually current year 2024. You cannot manually select it. This admission date, for example, the current date. Look at the row. This is blank, right? If you select the class, for example, if I select the class 6, roll number automatically generated, right? 14, because I have 13 students already in class 6, right? Select the section, for example, section A, admission fee, for example, 1200, status, of course, new, right? Make admission. Okay, admission done. This is admission receipt. Receipt number, admission date, student ID, student name, Munamiya, right? Which class he admitted? Class 6, section A, roll number 14, and admission fee. There'll be print button. You can print this receipt. Right now I skipped it. Okay. Now I'm going to student list. This is Munamiya, which I right now I admitted. You can update any information. For example, I skip picture, right? Select any picture, for example, my pictures. Okay, updated, right? There are 3 tabs. This is personal information tab. I have all students information, right? This is contact information, Mundamia's father's name, mother's name, guardian's name. Mundamia's academic information, all students academic information here. Admission date, class 6, section A, and roll number here, right? You can print the students in personal information. Here the all students personal information here. In the left side corner, there's the navigation menu. If we click in class 10, only class 10 students shown in here, and if we click the print button, only class 10 students information will show. You can print this information. If we click in the class 6, and the class 6 students are in here. That have a view button. You can only view here. You cannot update any information from here. You can print students' personal information and a specific student. The student name is Munjul Alam, his mail, phone number, gender, basic information, right? You can print also specific students' absent information. Munjul Alam, it totally absent 5 days in this year 2024. This is the date, which date he was absent, and this is the cause of absence. They go again, print the mark sheet, Munjul Alam's, right? First term mark sheet, midterm mark sheet, Munjul Alam, 5,000, right? His ID, class 6, section A. Now I'm going to show you setup menu. Setup means which information does not change regularly. Go to the academic year. This is 2024. This is the active academic year, right? You can update any information. For example, you can change it active, complete, or upcoming. This is active, right? 2024, 2025 is upcoming. You can change it when you make any year active. This year always shown when you need it. You can add academic year from here. Go into the job. This is the job title, minimum salary, maximum salary, right? You can update salaries, job title, job ID. Okay, you can add here any job title. You can print job titles information. Okay, this is classroom information, room number, capacity, and the room location. You can update any information. For example, capacity increase the 55, right? You can change the location. You can print room number, location. You can add classroom. This is actually fixed, right? It normally doesn't change it. Okay, this is class information. Right now I have 5 classes, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the class. All classes are active. You can add class. You can update class information. Okay, this is section. You can add section. You can update section. For example, dear inactive, right? You can active it. Okay, active section are shown when you need it. This is subjects. You see the subject code. Is it mandatory or not? Is it active or not? Okay, and this is a textbook. You can add subjects. You can print subjects information from here. And this is class on section wise subject. In class 6 and section A have 3 subjects: Bengali, maths and English, and this is the fixed location 101, right? For class 6 section A is the fixed location 102 for class 6 section B, and the fixed subject, right? We scroll down below. In the class 10 you have many subjects, right? In the class 10, commerce, Bengali, maths, English, finance, accounting. Okay. In the science, biology, higher math, physics, English, maths, and a specific room number. You can set up any time when you need it. You can update any information. This is class slot. I have right now in my school have 4 slots. You can update slot here from here. You can add slot. Okay. This is class fees. This is class-wise fee. In class 6, I have 12 months fees here. In class 7, 12 months fees here. For example, in January, tuition fee 1500 and development fee 700 and total 2200, right? In April, 1500, 1200, 700 and total amount in 3400. When you're going to payment from student collection, this total amount is shown. Okay, subject marks, right? The total marks in Bengali are 100, and in the higher math 15, because it's actually optional subject, right? You can make subject marks anytime, which subject you want to make the total numbers. You can print subjects marks information. Last one is Viva. Right now 3 students got a Viva, right? Rafiqul Islam got 5% Viva. You can update his Viva, for example, 5 to 7%. Right, this is updated. You can add Viva. Which students you want to give Viva, you can add from here. Okay, when you give anyone Viva, when you going to payment, this will show the percentage of Viva, right? Now I'm gonna show you class routine. Okay, this is the class 6 section A and 6 days routine. In Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday. A Friday is weekend in our country, Bangladesh. This is the fixed room for a specific class and section. And this is class 6 section B, 6 days routine. If you click here for details, in the 3 subjects in class 6, and this is the teacher who will take the class, and this is the class slot on class will be held on, right? You can update any information. Okay, you can make class routine from here. Okay, if you select in the class 6, right, every day is blank right now, right, every field, and only the class 6 section shown in here. Section B, only Friday are available, right? Other days already booked. Room number 101 is fixed for class 6 section A. Okay, which class are available? Class 9. Room number is right now in empty, right? Day is also empty. It's sorted only the free days. Okay, we select the commerce. Only these days are available. Does not selected or assigned any class routine right now. Okay, we select the class Saturday. This is the fixed for class 9 and section commerce. Okay, subject. Here they shown only the commerce subjects in class 9. If I select, look at this, teachers, no teachers are available right now, right? No class time. If I select the subject was teacher only shown in here, Mominullah. If I select the teacher name, then teacher's available time will show here. These 4 slots available, Mominullah, today, Saturday, Mominullah available these 4 slots, right? If I select this and make a class routine, right? We go in here and refresh it. Okay, class 9 commerce Saturday, right? You can update here, right? You can add any class routine. Okay, for example, finance. I show the finance teacher. Mariam Farag is the only finance teacher. He is also available in the 4 slots. For example, I click this slot. Okay, it's already updated, right? Now, if you again make class routine in class 9 in section commerce, look at this. Saturday is not here, right? Shown here because is already as Saturday already assigned, right? Here showed only unassigned days. Okay, if I go again and select in the class 10 in subject section commerce and 109 in the fixed room for class 10 section commerce, if I select the Saturday and select the finance, only teacher is Mominullah, right? Look at the class time. 3 class slots are free, Mominullah, because the first slot is already booked for class 9 section commerce in Saturday, right? Is available this 3 class slots. He can only these 3 class slots. Okay, if I add in the another row, I select the finance and select the teacher name Mariam Faraizi. Look at this. He is available on Saturday in the 2 slots. Another 2 slots already booked. Okay, make a class routine. Okay, you can print class routine from here. Which class routine you want to print? Select the class and select the section. See the class 6 section is 6 days routine here, right? You go again and select the section B and print. This is the class 6 section B is set. It's 6 days routine, right? Now I'm going to take student attendance. Go to the attendance page. For example, class 6 section B, and this is the sys date, current date, you can change it. Okay, and this is submitted teaser, and this automatically selected the login user, login the Habibullah, right, for tracing purposes. Okay, present all and absent one, for example, Ahad Mia. The causes of absent, negative school experience, right? Submitted it. Okay, attendance already taken. Search it actually. Okay, class 6 section B, and date is 18 April, right? This is the student attendance which I taken right now. Okay, if you have any missing, you can update it. For example, he was present, right? You can present him, let us, okay, can go again. Is present, right? Can go again. This take attendance. If you try to take attendance more than one time in the same class, section, and date, these three columns are composite unique, right? If you try to take more than one times as class sections in a specific date, that will give an error, right? Because this class and sections attendance already taken, right? Because this is a unique. Now I'm going to take exam schedule. Okay, this is the first term, class 6, section A, 2024, and this is the all class and sections and specific terms exam routine. For details, click here. In class 6, section A, 3 subjects exam routine. Okay, you can update any information if you want. Okay, you can print exam routine. Which exam you want to print, which class, for example, class 6, section A. Hit the print button. This is the class 6, section A's exam routine, right? Okay, you can insert class routine. For example, first term, class 6, section A already submitted, right? Section B, select the subject. Okay, 3 subjects in class 6, section B. Bangla, exam date, for example, 20 April. Exam time, this is actually exam slot, and examiner who will take this exam. For example, Mahmoud Tasrin, right? Okay, submitted. This is the first term exam class 6, section B, which is submitted right now. Okay. After submit exam routine, now I entry exam marks. For example, class 6, section B, and subject Bangla, and exam is first term. Total marks is automatically selected, the total marks of Bangla, and the username who actually submitted these marks is automatically selected, logged user Habibullah. Okay, this is the students in class 6, section B, the students here. I just select the marks. For example, if I select the 120, got the red sign, right? Because this is more than the total marks. Okay, 80, 70, 28, 26, 50. This is a grade system. This is actually Bangladeshi standard. Okay, it's automatically calculated. Just I submit the student marks, how many marks it got, specific subject. Okay, submit the marks. That's already submitted. Now the query the marks, class 6, section B, the subject was Bangla, right? Select the exam name, class term, right? One student, Taslim Hassan, was failed, right? You got 28, failed. You can update. If any typing missing, you can update. For example, he passed, right? He got 40, not 28. Okay, you can update anytime. Search again, section B, right? Okay, you got 40, right? Okay, you can print anytime. Class 6, for example, class 6 section A is student marks. You can print. They click the print button. Class 6 section A is student's mark. Come here. Now I'm going to show you employees information. There are two menus, teachers information and staff information. Going to the teacher information, have three tabs for personal information, official information, and the card view. Basic information easily view from here. Okay, you can update any information from here. Okay, you can view teacher's information. Click the teacher's class routine from here. Oh, no class assigned this teachers yet. With another teacher, for example, Mominullah, assigned any class. Let's check. Okay, he assigned two classes, 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. and another class is 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. in Saturday in class 9 and class 10. Okay, you can print teacher's information or teacher's basic information here. This is actually a HTML report. You can insert any teacher when you hired any employee or any teacher. First name, the basic information is this teacher is the part-time or full-time, employee's emails. If you can insert the employee CV also. Now let's take employee attendance. Okay, this date already employee attendance taken. Click here for details. Okay, take an employee attendance. There's the sys date. Okay, all employees are listed here automatically. Just click here or check all. If anyone absent, for example, Srikot Shah is absent today, you can insert here cause. For example, when the wedding ceremony, you can skip the causes of absent. Make the attendance. Okay, this is the 18th April, right? Check for details. The one employees are absent, name is Srikot Shah, the cause of absent wedding ceremony. You can update anytime. Let's collect money from students. Go to the collection menu. This is the collection history. Okay, class 6 Monjurul Alam 2000 whatever payable amount, paid amount. Okay, this is the view tab. Then view. Let's collect money. Okay, this is the active academic year. This is the current date. You can change it. Select the student. For example, Rakibul Hassan, right? Or whoever. Saiful Islam. Okay, class 6 automatically selected because Saiful Islam studied in class 6, and this is user who actually collect the money, right? Okay, select the month, January, the total amount in January 1000, right? February 1000 also. Okay, you can delete anytime. March. Okay, just collect the 4 months money at a time. You can delete from this button. You cannot select the same month twice at a time. When you go to the submit, then it will show an error. Okay, the total amount is 3000, right? Now 5700, right? This is 6% waiver. After calculation of waiver is the payable amount, right? Paid amount, for example, 5000, right? Due amount 358. Okay. Collect money. Okay, I've already collected money from Saiful Islam, right? Or Rakibul Islam. Okay. You can print the receipt. This is the receipt, right? Okay, the grand total, the waiver, the payable amount, and paid amount 5000, due amount 350. Okay, this is the receipt ID 1821. Remember this. Okay, student due history. I mentioned the due history here. Okay, 358 due and total paid 5000. Saiful Islam. In this date, the payable amount 5700. Okay, history on due payment. When he want to pay due amount, go here. What's the receipt number? 181, right? Just type here 181. Okay, this is the due amount, right? 258. Just paid 358. The remaining due is 0. Okay, this is the logged user. This is seize date. Just payment due. Okay, his due history amount is 0, right? Here, previous due 358 and paid 358. Right now, his due amount is 0. If I go again to collect money from Saiful Islam, select the month. These 4 months does not show here because this already paid January, February, March, and April, right? Here suggest already unpaid month. Okay, let's make expenses. Okay, this is expense page, expense history here. You can click for detail. This is the expense total amount, who make these expenses. This is the expense category and the category wise amount, right? Okay, make expense. This is the current date. You can change the date and the user, total amount. Okay, select the expense category, for example, salary, 25,000. Okay, select training and development fee, for example, 15,000. This is auto total amount count, right? Select the building rent or marketing, right? for example 5,000. The total amount in this three category 45,000. Let's click the make expense. Okay, to make this expense 45,000 Habibullah, right? And click here for detail. Okay, you can print the report today, right? Okay, and click the print button for expense detail, right? Three categories, and the total amount is 45,000 expenses, right? Let's go user page. Right, this is my user page. Okay, you can update user information from here. Set up the password, status connective or inactive. Only active user can access in the database. Go to the dashboard. Right now I have 8 users, right? If I delete any user, for example Farjana, delete Farjana, and go again the dashboard, I have only 7 users right now, right? Okay, you can create user, create again the Farjana. Okay, name the user FARJANA, make the password and select the employee. Farjana Hub status must be active, create user, right? Okay, where is the Farjana? This is the Farjana user. You can give him the role, right? Add a role. Okay, name, search name here FARJANA, or you can search his ID. It's job title account officer, right? Make him a contributor. Okay, right now his role, Farjana's role is contributor, right? Okay, I'm signing in the Habibullah. Okay, where is the Habibullah? This is the Habibullah, right? He actually admin user, so he can access the administration menu, access the users menu, right? If I sign in the Farjana, FARJANA, okay, sign out and sign in the Farjana. Okay, right now look at this administrative menu hide automatically. If I click the users menu, insufficient privileges, user is not administrator, right? Okay, admin user can access the users option and the administrative menu. Okay, sign out and again sign in the admin user JBIB123. Okay, users, right? You can print the users information. This is the users basic information. This is the report menu. All the basic reports are here. You can print from here, for example subsection marks. You can click here for here. From here you can also print the reports, for example subjects report. Thank you very much for watching a long video. I'm signing off. If you have any question, you can comment below or you can mail me for further information. I'm always ready to help you know anything about my project.